Peruvian Conservation Initiative for Climate Change, Saving Forests for Life. Peru is among the 12 most mega biodiverse countries on Earth. Peru not only ranks 9th in forest surface in general, but also ranks 4th in tropical rainforest surface. Peru has 72 million hectares in the Amazon basin and the dry forests on the northern coast, which in total accounts for a forest area that represents 16 times the size of Denmark. Peruvian forests are home to a remarkable diversity of species on the planet. For example, 1,800 species of birds and 855 species of freshwater fish, which are an attraction for specialized tourism such as birdwatchers or fly fishers. These attractions are also an opportunity for the development of local communities. A plethora of native products has become an important source of food for the world's population. For example, 3,800 varieties of potatoes. An estimated 52 ethnic communities live in the Peruvian Amazon, preserving ancestral knowledge and traditional techniques. This knowledge is the basis for traditional medicine and for the pharmaceutical industry. As part of the Peruvian Forest Conservation Initiative, the National Park Service currently protects 14% of the national territory. These areas provide millions of dollars to the economy of Peru in terms of power generation, drinking water, irrigation, erosion control, hydrobiological resources, forestry products, carbon sequestration, and ecotourism. In addition, 10% of the national territory is home to a number of ethnic communities, and 16% is used for sustainable forestry management through timber and non-timber concessions. At present, Peru is trying to tackle old development models that encourage the practice of slash and burn to clear land for agriculture and cattle raising, despite the fact that Amazon soils are not suitable for these activities. Barely 2 years later, these lands become totally unproductive, the ecosystems are degraded, and biodiversity decreases. Likewise, native ethnic groups are affected by encroaching deforestation, growing informal activities, and the loss of ancestral knowledge, a source of wealth for all humanity. Given these facts, Under the umbrella of the Peruvian Forest Conservation Initiative, the government of Peru intends to conserve 54 million hectares of tropical rainforest and maintain their corresponding environmental services. This initiative seeks to preserve standing forests, generate an income and a means of livelihood mainly for local inhabitants, and mitigate global climate change. This proposal provides the following benefits, amongst others: carbon sequestration, a huge potential for biotrade, watershed management, a wildlife habitat which is an important source of protein and ecotourism, a gene bank of native species, all of which has a huge economic potential. In order to meet this challenge, and under this initiative, the government of Peru has set up an economic incentive for forestry conservation in the territories of native communities that have land titles. The Community Forest Conservation Project will provide an estimated $4 per hectare per year to these communities. This groundbreaking effort made by the government of Peru will also depend upon your support. United, we can make a difference. The Amazon forest of Peru can benefit all humanity. We urge you to contribute to make this effort long-lasting, a matter of crucial importance to our present and future well-being.